హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ హాట్ స్పాట్ సాయి. నేను మీ స్వర్ణ రాయల్. ఈరోజు మనం ఫుకెట్లో ఉన్న స్నేక్ పార్క్కి వెళ్ళబోతున్నాం. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం టైగర్ పార్క్ చూసాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనము స్నేక్ పార్క్ చూద్దాం. లాస్ట్ వీడియోస్ ఎవరైనా మిస్ అయింటే వెళ్ళి చూసేయండి. ఆ టైగర్ పార్క్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఆ వీడియో చాలా చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది. వచ్చేసామండి. ఇదే మన కతూ కోబ్రా షో. ఇది చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. పైసా వసూల్, వర్త్ అంటే వర్త్. ఆ టైగర్ కింగ్డమ్ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా దగ్గర అండి. ఇది మస్ట్ విజిట్ ప్లేస్ అని మాత్రం చెప్తాను. నేను వెళ్ళే లోపల షో స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది.
Look at me, Jonas. Smile, cheese. Yeah. Video.
మనకు అక్కడ స్నేక్ గురించి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వాళ్ళు అక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. చాలా బాగుంటుంది షో.
And this one, sir, king cobra they eat outer snake. Snake eat snake, king cobra no eat rat, no eat frog, no eat chicken. Snake eating snake, king cobra. Sir. Thank you, person. It's a 1 by 10 minutes. Dead. Where you hotel? And snake in the show, Mr. Last month, Mr. Joe. He cat in the toilet, in the bathroom, in the hotel. From Patong Beach. You know Patong? I show you kiss King Cobra show you.
You don't have the big one?
Big one don't have in here. You have this place. Lady boy King Cobra. You wanna try?
Try what?
Yalla boost.
Kiss?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
Nah, come try that video.
డిఫరెంట్ పాములు తీసుకొని వస్తున్నారండి. అసలు ఎన్ని రకాల పాములు ఉన్నాయంటే అన్ని రకాలు ఉన్నాయి.
Bite very fast, but no poison. Bite. No poison, no poison. Very fast. Bite look like a spring. This one 2.5 meter long. This one 12 meter long. 12 meter long. 200. Just one. Good.
นั่นแหละระวังมันหมุนก็ไปโอ้ my god โอ้ my god กันเลย
วันครบเลยนะ
ครบ52ซี่ครบเลย
52 teeth inside the mouth.
And this little one.
no poison bite and strangle
The little one, little.
small one big one big teeth
Big one they have long teeth.
big
Big
one
teeth.
1 2 3 4 5 6 big one
Big roll in the mouth. Bite and see.
นี่
When cobra they angry with the help look, the help sound make some noise. When they angry,
You know Kamal Amwasi?
have sound. When they angry.
Hi.
Say hello. You very damn frank. So they have just a little frank, some more frank, but they have big poison. Can bite very fast. Be careful, Joe. snake in the show, sir, still have frank, have poison. We not cut the frank, we not remove the poison out. Real show, real frank, real poison. I stand about me to die in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Say hello. But don't worry, it's enough 15 minutes, go hospital. Hospital not far from here. No problem. Yeah. Up, shot. And cobra in the Thailand, so we have the two kind of them cobra. We have biting cobra and spitting cobra. In the show we have just biting one. So you can look behind the cobra head. This one have mark O or 0 behind the head. This one biting cobra. Spitting one have mark V.
This, who it's a danger? Is always the big one.
Big one natural more.
More than
More this one. This one number 3. This one number 1. And it's a snake in the world. Snake in the India. This from India.
I'm from India. I am from India.
Yeah, it's from India. But snake in no ear. Snake is looking like this. And they bite. And we have the technique for you. When you see the snake come close to you, sir, Latataharai. Don't move. Don't move, snake they cannot bite. No move, no bite, sir. Yeah. Each move. Move. They bite. Yeah. Don't move, no bite. And you can say. Yeah. Watch out. I can't hear you.
Fucking hell!
Don't move, no bite, sir. Good idea. Each move they can bite very fast. Move. Hop, chop, hop. Don't move, no bite. Baby, let you from me, Habibi. And you want to show you how to catch the snake by his by hand. Imsa.
No.
I don't scare. He's
This one snake no poison. You can buy snake man buy me every day. A little bit hurt. They have some more teeth, a little teeth inside the mouth. And throw snake. Alright. Look like a Thai boxing. Tonight. Tomorrow night. Monday night. Wednesday night. Sunday night. Another night. Good night. Have a lot of night. They have a lot on the tree, on the mango tree, palm tree, coconut tree. They like to grab from. That is. Now have a again.
Don't move.
When you see the snake come close to you, don't move. Don't move. Snake they cannot bite. No move, no bite, sir. And you can say,
Help me!พระเจ้า
now, mister, help him. Go to take the snake out. Help him.
No.
No snake, no poison. Come on.
Help me!
Snake bites by hand. Lucky time. Feel the skin. The snake no poison. Yeah, lucky.
Enough.
Thank
Yes.
I'm not gonna be a fool. I'm not gonna be a fool. Oh, can you deny me? I'm not gonna be a fool. I'm not gonna be a fool. Not gonna be a fool. I'm not gonna be a fool. Not gonna be a fool. I'm not gonna